Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. Yes, in last session we have started our exercise 4.4 B question. From B we have completed, and from C we have done 3 examples. Now one more example I would like to take here for last one, 16th one. What is the 16th one question? See the question, 4231 division by 49. Okay. Now we have to write 4239 divisor left side. Okay. Now see, for 2-digit number we have to divide with the 2-digit number only. Now here what is there? 42. 42 is less than 49, so we cannot do. See, 49 will not goes from 42, so in that case what we have to do? Go with the 3-digit. Now 423. See, we will write nearest number 423 means 400, and the 49 nearest is 50, isn't it? Now when we cross these 2 zeros, okay, so what will remain? 5 division by 40, isn't it? How many times 5 is 40? 5 8s are 40, isn't it? Now we will try with exact quotient. This is estimate quotient, isn't it? Now see, 8 9s are, yes, 72. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7, yes, count everyone. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, isn't it? How much? 392 will goes from 423. But still what we will do? We will see with quotient 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are, yes, 36. 36 plus 8, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. See, what is the question? Answer 441 will goes from 423, students? No. So what we have to take? Quotient 8. How many times 8? 49. 8 times means we get 392. Now subtract this number. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 9 we can't do. Cut the 2 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 4. He will give 1. 3 will remain. Now 12 minus 9. Count after 9 till 12 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down the next number, that is 1. Now see, 311. Now we will find out 311 nearest number is 300. Again compare with the divisor. 5, cross 110, 5 and 30. How many times 5 means 30? 5 6 are. Okay, this is estimate quotient. Now we will see with the actual number. 6 9s are, yes, 54, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29. See, 294 we can subtract from 311, but still what we will do? We will see with quotient 7. 9 7s are, yes, 63. 9 4s are, sorry, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, isn't it? So this is greater number than this. So 6 is correct. 6 quotient is correct. 49 6 times means 294. Now subtract 1 minus 9 we can't do. Cut the 1 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 1, he will give 1, here 0 will remain. Now 11 minus 4, count after 4 till 11 comes, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 7. Now 0 minus 9, we can't do. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 3, he will give 1, 2 will remain. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Isn't it? Now 17. This is remainder. Because see the divisor is 49 greater than 17. Now we can't do the next. The quotient is 86 and the remainder is 17. Clear? Understood? Is it clear? Now we will move to the next. Now see, we have completed C question. Now we are going to start D question. What is the D question? Fill in the blanks to make the sentences true. They had given 4 sentences that we have to make those sentences in true. Means they had given like 936 division by dash dash gives quotient 104 and remainder is 0. Isn't it? Now everyone keep your textbook in front of you and see the question. D question, first one, 936 division by dash dash. So what they said, this gives us quotient 104 and the remainder 0. Okay, I have written in short. This is the question. Now we have to find out this divisor, isn't it? Now first let me write 936 dividend on the right side. Now we have to find out divisor here. But students, just observe that what is the quotient? 104, isn't it? So where will come quotient? On the top. Okay. So just we will try with this quotient only, isn't it? Now see how many times 1 means 9 will come? See, 9 ones are 9, isn't it? Yes? Is it? Yes. 9 ones are 9. So here we have to write 9 and do the subtraction. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down 3. So when we bring down 3, 9 will not goes from 3. So in that case what we have to do? 9 zeros are 0. Okay? So 3 will remain. Then bring down, next number is 6. Now 9 4s are 36. 0 0. See, as they said, the remainder is 0, the quotient is 104. See, the answer is given in the question itself. Okay, with the help of quotient we have solved. Just we have to guess. Now they had given question in dividend 936. 1 means yes. What number we can multiply that we will get the number 9. So what we have done here, 9 is there, so 9 ones are 9 we have taken. So here I have written divisor has a 9. So we have tried for the next. So 3 is there, so 3 will not goes from 9. So in that case what we have to do? We have to multiply with 0. 9 zeros are 0. So 3 will remain as it is. So 3, bring down 6. So 9 4 times 36, 0 0. Got it? Clear? So your answer, what is the answer here? 9. Understood? This is the answer. Got it? Now we'll move to the second question. What is the second one, students? See, interesting question. Dash dash division by 23 gives quotient. From this we will get the quotient as a 15 and the remainder 5. Okay, for this question, students, do you remember we have studied in our grade 3 that after solving the division we used to cross check the sum whether it is correct or no. What is the formula for cross checking the answer, students? Yes, dividend is equals to Yes, try to recall your memory. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, isn't it? Try to recall your memory. This is the formula to cross check whether our answer is correct or no. Now from this question we do have this three whatever things three are there, like divisor, quotient and remainder numbers they are given. Now see, divisor, this is what? Divisor, I will take here multiplied by quotient, they had given quotient plus remainder they had given 5. Now what I will do, I will multiply this. I will do the rough work. 23 multiplied by 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Then place 1 0 when you are doing tens place. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Then add this 2 product. 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3. What is the answer? 345 plus 5. Add 5 here only. 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3. What is the answer? 350. This is what? Dividend. Isn't it? Okay. In this way you can write this answer. But still what I'll do? I'll do the division here to cross check this answer. We will solve here. Okay. You go with next step. 350 division by 23, isn't it? Now see, 23 and 350. Let's cross check this. Shall I take here? I'll take here. Now 2-digit division means go with 2 digit. So I will find out rounding nearest to 35 is 40 and the rounding nearest 23 is 20. Cross 1 1 0 2 and 4. How many 2 means how many 2 times make 4? 2 times. So what is rough quotient? Estimate quotient is 2. So we will try with 23 only. 23 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 46. But we cannot subtract 46 from 35. So we should go with 23 ones are 23. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 0 has it is. Okay. Now we have 120. Now we will write nearest number of 120 is 100 and the nearest 20 is 20. Cross 1 0, 1 0, 10 and 2. How many times 2 means 10? 5 times, isn't it? What is our rough estimate quotient? Is 5. Now we will try with actual. 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 115. See, it is nearest to 120 only. So automatically this number only will go, but still we will cross check whether quotient 6 will go or what. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. See, 133 is greater than 120, so we'll go with the quotient 5. 5 times 23 makes 115. Now we will subtract 0 minus 5. We can't do cut the 0, right? As it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 2. He will give 1. Here 1 will remain. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. See, what is our question? Dividend we have to find out. We have done with the division. The divisor is 23, the quotient is 15 and the remainder is 5. Clear? Is it clear, students? Yes. So, we have done this sum with cross checking. Do you remember we have studied in grade 3 how to cross check division sum correct or no? With that method again we have done the division. So it's clear now that our division is correct. Okay, now we will take third sum. Now what is the third question, students? See, third one, 1022 division by 24 from, not 24, 14 they are given, 14. Okay, in this question, quotient we have to find out, and the remainder they are given as a 0. Okay, see, in this question very clear, they are given dividend and divisor, so there is no problem to find out the quotient, but the remainder should be 0 only, because we have to make this sentence true. So write dividend on right side, write divisor on left side. Okay, 2 digit, go with 2 digit, but here is 10. 10 is smaller than 14, so we cannot subtract, we cannot take. 14 will not goes from 10, so go with 3 digit, 102. Now write 102 nearest number, see, 0, so automatically 100. And what about divisor? 14, again 10, cross cross. Now how many times? 10 times they are saying. Okay, but we cannot go with 10 times. 10 times 14 means 140, but we are finding the number, which number will goes from 102. So what I'll do, I'll try with quotient 9 with actual number. Now see, 4 nines are, yes, 36, 9 ones are 9. See, 4 nines are what? 9 fours are what? Same only. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 3, 12. See, this is greater than 102, so I have to cross check with another quotient less than that, 8. Now 8 fours are, yes, 32. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 112. See, that is also greater than 102, students. So again we have to cross check with another quotient less than that, 7. Now 7 fours are 28. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, see, if you know the 14 table, it is very easy, otherwise go with the estimate. Now 14, 7 times makes 98. Now subtract 2 minus 8, we can't cut the 2, right as it is, take borrow from neighbor, but neighbor also don't have, go with the next neighbor. Neighbor is having 1, he will give 1, 0 will. Now here he is having 10, he will give 1, here 9 will remain. Now 12 minus 8, count after 8 till 12 comes. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. Now bring down the next number, that is 2. Now see, 14 and 42. Now find out 42 nearest number is 40. Okay, see, now 10 and 4. So here better you go with the table. Okay, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are, yes, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are, see, you can do here also if you don't remember the table. 3 fours are, yes, 12, 1 carry, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, yes, sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4, isn't it? Now 42, where is 42? 3 times 14 means 42, so 14 threes are 42. Now subtract 0, 0. See how we can make this statement true? The quotient we have to find out, but the remainder should come 0, already they had given. See, exactly it came 0, so the quotient is 73. Understood? Clear, students? Understood? Yes. Now we will go to the next question. Now fourth one. What is the fourth one? 1932 divided by 31. This question, in this question they have not given quotient, and also remainder also we have to find out. Okay, they had given two tasks in this question. See, now we will write question, dividend on right side, quotient on left side. See students, till now I have solved example with estimating the number, finding nearest to tens, 100, and we have solved, isn't it? Now what I'll do for this sum, I'll go with the multiplication. See which you feel easy, go in that way. 2-digit number, so start 2-digit number only, but here 19 is there. So 19 is less than 31. So 31 will not goes from 19. So in that case, go with 3-digit, isn't it? 193. So we have to find out in 13 table whether 193 is there or no. So here you have to make 31 table 1 by 1. 31 ones are 31, 31 twos are how? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now 31 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 31 multiplied by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. See what we are searching? 193. Now next, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. See 155 came, still we will go. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, isn't it? Now, but still one more we will see. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 217, okay? Now, see where is nearest to 93? Sorry, which is less than 93 students in 13 table? This one. Okay? 31, 6 times make 186. So, where we will write? In this place, because we are doing with 3 digit, and we will write the quotient at third place, 6. 186. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 6 we can't do. Cut the 3, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 9. He will give 1. 8 will remain. Now 13 minus 6. Count after 6 till 13 comes. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 7. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now the bring down the next number, that is 2. See 72 is there in 13 table students? No, it is not there. What is less than that? 62. So take 62. Which place it is? On second place. 31 twos are 62. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. So what is our quotient? Now 10 is there. This is less than 31. Now we can't go with the next. Here we have completed this sum. What is quotient? Is 62 and the remainder is 10. Understood? Clear till here? Yes? Yes. Very good. Now see, while solving this, where you can commit the common mistake, so I would like to tell you. Look at the division sum worked by 3 students. One division done by 3 students. Now we have to tell which is correct, and can you find out the other mistake in other 2 sums. Now we will start with here. 25 division by 5055 division by 25. See, 25 twos are 50, isn't it? See, I'll write here 25 table. We got 50, we will stop here. Okay, 25 twos are 50. So 50 minus 50 is 0, 0. Bring down 5. See, we can take at once only one number down. We can bring down only one number. But here what happened? The students, what he did? 5 we cannot subtract from 25. So what he have done? Directly he have taken another 5. Isn't it? So this went wrong. Okay, we should not take 5 immediately. First we have to do with 5. What we have to do? 25 zeros are 25. Then whatever answer comes, isn't it? Now see the second students. 25 2s are 50. So 0, bring down 5. So what he have done? When he bring down 5, we cannot divide with 25. So that time we should give 0 in quotient place. Then next bring down 5. These students have done correct. Okay, now we can write 25 2s are 50 again. The 5 is remainder. So by seeing this student have done correct. Now we will see what this student have done the mistake. We will find out the mistake. Okay. Now 25 division by, now 2 digit, 2 digit. 25 2s are 50. So 0 will remain. Now what he did? Bring down 5 he have done, and he have done correct. Now when we have bring down 5, we cannot do division with 25. So he have given 0. And he have taken again 5. But here what happened? He have taken 25 ones are 25. But 25 2s are 50 can be subtracted from 55. So he is supposed to take here 25 2s are 50. But he have taken less than 55. Very less than. He is supposed to take 50 here. So here subtraction also correct. But the answer is wrong, because again when we have 30 we can do division with 25. Again 25 ones are 25. That is totally wrong. So you understood where he committed mistake. Third student and second student have done correct, and the first student where he have done mistake. Got it? So you don't commit these mistakes. Understood? These are the common mistake. It will happen in hurry-burry. So whenever you are solving the division sums, focus full concentration in sum only. Okay? Clear? Now what is today's your home assignment is question number C and D, solve in your rub book. Tomorrow in next session we will start with new concept. Okay? Till that time, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.